Any baskets on sale right now? Because sometimes I know they do sales. Like 2 for something.
Not right now because this is our first week of shipments. So the only thing that's ever gonna really be on sale are these.
The annuals. Oh, those are begonias?
Yeah.
But they're little tiny.
They're little tiny.
How much are those?
Right now they're $3.98 a pack.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they'll water a lot, and then
Right.
they'll last.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I wonder, how much are those?
I think it's $29.98.
Ay, ay, ay. But I need something. Okay, I'm gonna look around.
I mean,
then.
we have some stuff in little planters outside.
Yeah, but nothing big and beautiful yet, like this.
They're not gonna be big and full like this, but they're gonna be small and full, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try to see what I could come up with. Thank you.
This is our first week of real shipment.
Oh, you picked some nice ones too.
I hope so.
They're gonna look beautiful. Yeah. Let me get some little begonias and then I'll come back to those. Is that 2 together? Are they, how much? Oh, they're $3.98 each? I don't know. Oh my God, I can't get that. This is 2 things. Is it $3.98 for one of these? And do I have 2 together there? I think I need another stack of 3. Hold on, let me see, can I get that over here? Can I get that whole thing, that whole bed, and break it loose? Hold on. I normally go with black pots, but I think the white is gonna be a nice pot right now. Because my yard is a mess until it develops. So I think right now the white will make it look a little more beautiful than the black because it's not really cleaned up. Towards by the, as the season goes along, it'll look better.
I like the stonewash one.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like this one because, as the seasons change,
it'll weather good.
Right, it'll weather good, yeah.
You know what? You're right. You're right. You're so right. Okay. I'll take this one. And maybe that one. This got a little bit of fern in it, too. Ooh, they're heavy. time. I have that other basket, yeah. Brick, stop eating grass. I wish you, Brick, stop eating grass. Oh my God.